Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get all the seeds and pulp out of there. And then you want to separate it into a colander or strainer. Uh-oh. So next, you want to take your colander full of seeds and rinse it off in the water. Try to get all the pulp off. Clean them up real nice. Doesn't have to be perfect, so you don't want any big chunks of pulp on there. A nice little rinsing. There's the seeds in there. There we go. Seeds nice and clean. So now that you've cleaned them, you want to dry them real good. Because if you put them in the oven and they're still wet, it'll create steam and make them take longer to cook. So you want to make sure that they're dried real good. So now I'm going to put them in some paper towels and dry them off. Alright, we got our seeds all rinsed. Now you can either just coat them and bake them, or if you really want to get the flavor inside, you have to boil them. So the recipe for that is about 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt for every half cup of seeds. Now our pumpkin that we busted open today had just a little under 2.5 cups. You add your water and your salt, bring it to a boil, simmer it for 10 minutes, and then you drain it. And then you gotta dry them off. Alright, so we're gonna add our water and the salt and get this going. Alright, we got our water added and our salt. 2.5 cups of seeds, so it's 10 cups of water. And 5 tablespoons of salt. Should come out real nice. Alright, they're done boiling. Now we're going to drain them out and dry them up. Alright, got them spread out pretty good. Now we just got to dry them up, and then we can season them and cook them. So once you got your seeds all dried out, you're going to get a piece of parchment paper, put it on a cooking tray, get your oven preheated to 350 degrees so it's ready to bake. And you want to put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or if you just put them in a little pile like this, you just take a little bit. Alright, I don't know where the oil spout is, but let's see what happens. Just pour a little bit. And then you just put your favorite seasonings. Some people use chili powder or curry powder, black pepper, salt, pumpkin spices, whatever you want. I'm gonna go with the chili powder. Give it a little darker coating. And then you just kind of toss it, mix it all up, and get back in there. Give them a nice little coating. Make sure they're mixed real nice. Alright, try to get them as flat as possible. They're all oiled up and seasoned. So now you gotta bake them 350 for about 5 to 20 minutes depending on the size. You just gotta keep checking on them and look for them to turn golden. So we're gonna throw them in and see how they bake. Hot out of the oven. I'm gonna let these cool off. See how they taste. Hope the video was informative. Hope you guys have fun making your own pumpkin seeds. Subscribe to the channel. Share with your friends if you think they might be interested in making their own seeds. And tune in for the next video. Make some other fun foods. So we'll see you next time.